Hello guys, welcome once again to another overview on GBPUSD. Once again, I am your host, TradewithPopa, and today we are going to be doing a deep dive into GU. So, as we all can see, GU has broken out of that range where it was in for over 2 months, and we have a directional bias now, which is upwards. We're trading upwards, so we look for pullbacks, sell the pullbacks and buy the retracement, to sell the pullbacks and buy the retracement, to sell the pullbacks and buy the retracement as we get our entries. Now, see the zone I was talking about, that's this weekly zone, this supply zone, the weekly supply zone was not enough to actually send price down, because market knows what it wants to do. Actually, we just follow, it was enough to hold price here for 2 weeks, 2 months plus, but not enough to send price down. And finally, after waiting for that long, we have a directional bias. We're going up, and the way it is on this chart, the next place price can find resistance is here, and from where the price is, from where market currently is to where that resistance level is, you're talking 200 plus pips. That's money. That's money that can be made because we have a clear direction. Understand? So, and there's no telling, markets could pull back first. It will pull back first. Maybe it goes up a little or just pulls back on Monday and then continues higher. But I know it's going to pull back, and when it retraces, when it pulls back, we're going to get our entry. Now I'm going to be dropping down to the daily to get a clearer picture of what's happening. So as we can see on the daily, we just broke out of this long time correction. This is impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse, and then this is correction. If you watched my video explanation on correction, you would see that this has all the qualities of a correction. It takes longer than a pullback. Look at this pullback, took how many days? This pullback took some days. But this one is not a pullback, this is correction, and it's taking days. And most times, like I said, a correction will give you change of character. Sometimes it will break the trend line, like it did here. I already removed the trend line, it broke. Wow, I'm gonna draw it again, and then let me just draw that trend line back. So there is this trend line, which is like an overall trend line, and there is this immediate trend line that starts from here. Where's the on the middle last side here? There. And it's there. So price broke the immediate trend line, didn't break the overall trend line, and entered correction mode. And now we're here. It has broken the counter trend line of the correction. That's what it did here. Broke the counter trend line of the correction. There. So all we can do is wait for a pullback into a zone like this, and then we buy this market up all the way to the trend line, which I do not think will hold. No, I do not think that will hold. So if you get an entry from this area here, we're looking at what? 300 plus pips to the trend line, But what I'm happy for is that we now have a fine, clear direction of this market. So it's difficult for us to miss our calls now. It's going to be very difficult. It's easy for you to miss calls here, because when you're buying, it's selling. When you're selling, it's buying. But now that you have a clear direction, it's trading to the upside. You want to buy retracement, so it's less difficult now for you to miss your call. You get. So that being said, this week I'm looking for price to retrace, and to get a clearer picture of that, we drop down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we'll see this high that was broken. That's the daily high that was broken. That's like a 3 month high. 90 days high that was broken Friday. So price could retrace into this zone here and then launch up on Monday, or it could do this, break above this high, break above this high, and then do a pullback, clear this liquidity, come into this same place, and then still launch up. And still launch up. You get? But whatever it's going to do, we will be watching and we'll be ready to pull our triggers. Buys, guys, buys this week. We're buying. Every pullback is meant to be bought. Every pullback is meant to be bought this week. That's my take on GBPUSD. We are waiting for the market to pull back into our buy zone. And it's not going to buy from here. It's going to come down. I'm going to get a reversal that will bring price all the way down here. And then we'll buy from here. So 2 possible buy zones. This area, yeah, and this area here. The way the market is pulling back is going to determine if we are buying from here or we are buying from here. But as always, stay guided, stay updated. I will keep you informed on whatever move we're going to be taking on GBPUSD. And don't forget, I'll be dropping daily updates on the Telegram channel, so stay tuned as well. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.